guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a notebook. My cousin is going to make blind bags. I make simple artificial things that they're going to make this paper. I'm using colored paper, so magic and purple. Versus all of it. Start cutting it in half. Going to do it like this. I'm not sure. I'm going to cut it. So this set will go to make two dogs. You measure. Cut all of them. Guys, you're also going to need a pen or pens. I'm going to set this aside. And guys, I already cut all of them right here. Here's the first that I showed. I'm going to take all of them one. So I'm going to demonstrate you one but I'm going to work with two. You see that I've got two because this is one long and I've got two, so it's equal to two books. I'm going to take one each color and I'm going to fold it. See some crinkles and I'm going, don't worry, just make sure it's very secure here. Kids. Oops. Already. Yeah. Try it again.
Malay mo, tapos na yung pangain ko pa naman. Ano pa, tinawagin ko Ashana Airline. Kasi Ashana yun. Bawis ko na magsabi.
Oh, and open up so it's your book, notebook. And you need some glue to stick everything together. Using this toxic glue. Set it all up. Fix this. Adding it in the middle. Just keep adding it in the middle, but not too much. So don't put a big chunk. Not a chunk. And just close it up. Make sure the colored paper, the brightness is up. I'm excited to try it on. You need more color. This thing has need time to let dry. And guys, I've also forgot you have to put like this. This is the main part, and this is the front. If you put to stick it in, and each part. I cannot explain it to you because I'm not. but that's okay. At least if you have your homemade, made notebook, you can use for school. This is my list, the things that I need to do. See, just put it there. Made the first batch. And guys, you see that I've made the first batch here. And this is the second batch of the blue all together. This is the red. And so it's that is a blind bag. That is a homemade poop bag. That's kidding. It's just a beautiful, wonderful, blind bag. In Tagalog, blind is bulag. They cannot see. I'm letting it all dry. This is my first batch inside, so I'm going to look. I'm eating fish ball. I'm already done shaping it. I'm going to put names. I'm going to write my notebook. Here, in this red one, I'm going to write my notebook. Because I'm so professional.
Hanghang daw hindi.
Hindi, syempre.
Meron pa. Oo, meron pa pala.
Check ko naglagay niyan eh.
Kaya ko gusto mo kaya.
Ito na.
Tapan ko na. Ay, pochong nila.
Pagalis ko kumakain. Ayun, kumakain ka na naman.
Ano kumakain ko kanina?
Parang kumakain ka ng kanin.
Hindi ako makain.
Ano yun?
Bubblegum yun.
Nasa malukong?
Nasa malakong. Naiba talaga.
Nasa malaki.
And I'm going to write my name. I'm just speaking in Tagalog.
Yung sumalo to?
And my section. This is my notebook and the pink one is my list book. Write the name of my list book. List book. And my name.
Uulan.
Maingay. Micaela O. Conde. And my section. Grade 5 Ruby.
Ruby ka? Ano pa session na?
Already done, so thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe
Pula
and leave
talaga,
a comment
pula.
down below. Bye!
Kamatis talaga.